that's horrible. Oh, that's where I go to get my snow and the chickens. Oh, and I hope Chelada. Oh no, the seafood restaurant. Oh, enchilada. And Wiley's. Ah!
No, dude, this is close to Big Rock.
Oh! This is. Oh, dude.
That's horrible.
Oh.
Wait, dude, this is super close to Big Rock. Fucking right here.
And Wiley's. Enchilada. Oh, please. Ah.
That's heartbreaking.
You're looking good. Your house is not on fire, but it's... I'm here in case some embers land on it. I hope all your windows are closed.
Engine strike team with engine 5971 and 292 is clear air. Copy, engine 59 went home. Thank you. Operator, let me know who we're reporting to. We're at
Just be okay. You're gonna be okay, alright? You're gonna be okay. Oh shit.
Want me to the park?
Yeah, don't worry about that, dude. Look at that. Holy shit.
Scary, huh?
Yeah. The plastic is gone, dude.
Yeah.
Fuck. We're good.
Had the one already?
Yeah. Holy shit. So, where's the gas?
Outside.
Okay, the gas is off right now.
Standing in my driveway getting ready to evacuate. We've got a lot of planes going over, dropping water, but